Hi lovelies, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. So I have some very exciting news for you all. Now I know that studying and working from home has proven to be particularly challenging. I get so many questions coming through on Instagram, through direct message, on this channel, through emails, asking me how to structure your work, how to structure assignments, how to create an optimal study schedule and stick to a healthy study routine, and just organize your life in general because it's been quite chaotic studying and living within the same four walls. So I take on your questions and I take it all very seriously, and I have been working really hard lately to create something that's going to make your life a lot easier. So are you ready for a very special announcement on how I am going to help make your study sessions so much more productive and help you get motivated and inspired and study smarter and not hard? Okay, here it is. I'm trying to do a drum roll and I don't have anything to bang on, so I'm looking really bizarre doing hand claps. Now, if you're following me on Instagram, you probably already know this. If you're not following me, then after this video, go follow me on Instagram at studywithjess, just because in addition to all of the extra content I post up there, I story regularly and I'm making IGTVs on live streams, a whole lot of study inspo and productivities all on that platform. I do have a habit of disclosing special things on Instagram before YouTube. I think it's just the ease of posting an Instagram story or hopping on and doing a live stream or putting up a dedicated post on Instagram. It's much easier than making a video, sitting down, then editing and uploading it. So if you want to be first in the know, go follow me on Insta. But are you ready for my special announcements? You've all hung in there. I have just released digital versions of Educationery in new colors, new designs, and there is a new product. Now I have been asked for so long to ship internationally, and it is so difficult to send parcels from Australia overseas, especially the further away you are. It is so expensive. So if you have been wanting to get your hands on some of my planners and exercise books and all of those unique templates to help you study smarter and be more productive and be more organized and more motivated, then now you actually can. So I have been working so hard to get this done ASAP so that I can make studying and working from home a lot easier for you all. I also know that we're getting closer to the end of some of your school years, and then it's going to be back to school time in the middle of the year. So I was working really hard so that I could give you this new resource as soon as I possibly could. Now if you want to get your hands on the digital versions of my stationery and all those unique template and study designs, head to studywithjess.com. It will be a link in the description box below as well. But when you do download your planners or exercise books, you will get it in 3 different colors and a type-friendly version and a write-friendly version. So the type-friendly version has no dotted lines, so you can actually type out all of your notes and it's not going to sit funny on those lines because it's hard to make it all line up. And then the write-friendly version, you can either print it out and handwrite your notes on there, or if you've got an iPad and a digital pen, then you can do that too. So I really thought hard about how I can make these planners as user-friendly as possible and as easy to use. So I wanted to give you 2 different versions because I don't know if you want to write out your notes by hand or if you want to type them out. And I also, again, this is why you need to follow me on Instagram, but I was asking what kind of colors and designs you wanted. So I've released everything in a limited edition. I'm obsessed with the floral design. It is so beautiful. And then there's some really cool pattern designs as well on pastel colors. So I was polling this all on Instagram, asking, should I go pastel? Should they be bold? What colors do you like? Have I missed any colors? So when you download any of the planners, they come in 3 different colors and they're all these beautiful pastel designs. But whether you go for the limited edition floral design, it'll have that beautiful flower pattern, or you can get more minimal pattern designs. So you've got like some little polka dots, stripes, zigzags. They're really cute. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of the new range. I am so excited for them to officially be out now. I worked so hard on this for all of you and wanted to release it as soon as I possibly could. So I really hope that you all love them. Go check them out, studywithjess.com. Follow me on Instagram at studywithjess, and remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications here. And I'll see you next week with another video. Mwah! Happy studying. Bye.